Hello guys, I'm going to help you with video editing software. You know there are so many softwares, but the most comfortable, the quickest, the easiest software is my movie maker. If you go to internet and search movie maker, then you will get. But there are two versions. One is for 32 bits and the other one is for 64 bits. If your computer supports 64 bits, it's better for you, and if it doesn't support, then you go to 32 bits. Okay, let's begin. Suppose here you see add videos. This one comes first, so I go to this button, loading audio data. If it loads, then just little wait. Okay, now it's gone. So if I play it, I can see it, right? So I can stop it here, right? I use the keyboard. I press the keyboard and it stops. Okay, so you can go either way with the mouse or the keyboard. You can start, you can stop it. Okay, so this is the video. If I press it, then it will come to the beginning. I can drag it like this. Okay, you can press it here. I can drag it here like that. So if I play the end, so I come back here. Alright, so I want to stop the music, so I go to edit and there volume. So if I press drag it left, then the sound will be no more. So I stop it and then I come back to the music, add music. Suppose there's free music, audio micro, free music archive, Vimeo, add music at the current. If I cut it here, suppose I go to edit and I press it here and I split it. So if I want to put the audio file here, then I have to go there, add music at the current point. But just don't worry, I can okay, I go back to the where I had been. So I go to add music, it starts from the beginning. So let's go to some music. Okay, yeah, you see this is music file. So you press here and go to edit, then I press it going on. Yes, I press it here and I cut it, split it, and then I go a little further and then I split it. So you can delete, just press the delete button, that part is gone. But if you want to delete little bit of the audio file, then you have to go to options and then you split it here, right? So here it's splitted. Okay, right? I can also bring it back, no problem. And if I want to dissect this part of music, I go to here and then I press it here and I just hit the delete button, right? So that music is gone. So now you see there's also things like that here. You don't need to know in the beginning. Fade, suppose I have little bit slow, medium, fast. You don't need it in the beginning. Slow, medium, fast, right? So I don't go for nothing. I don't need it, none. So no problem. Okay, so you can check it yourself. So I once again go home, so add videos, add music. If you want webcam video, then you press it here. If you want the microphone, then you can add sound or record narration. Okay, and snapshot, you can also have photos from here. So I go to title. I don't usually go for title, but if you want, then no problem. So my movie is the default title. Suppose I go about visiting Rajshahi. Okay, so there you can press it here, and it takes duration 10 seconds. It is in second. I can also put 30 seconds. Then I press outside, then it goes on. Okay, visiting, right? And if I press it here, I can design it like this. Yeah, I can different way design this. Yes, I can change the text color. Yeah, this is color, and I can go for bigger font, bigger. I can press it here. So different ways you can edit, right? So if I want the full, yeah, I go for 72. If I just write 200, then it goes so big like that. And you can also go about the fonts, the font design, different designs. So I go about 72, right? So different ways you can improve. So it may be middle like this, it can be transparent. Yeah, if you like that, transparent. Okay, so 0 is fine, no problem. And background color, maybe this one, maybe okay, this one. It doesn't matter how you think is good for you, but colorless something is usually better, because when you have something, okay, yeah, I can't see because the writing is, yeah, so visiting, so it can be this so many, yeah, this one you check it, yeah, this one you see. So different ways you can try. I can press like this. Okay, so let's stop it here, and then you go. So 1 second, so you understand. Captions you can write. So I suppose delete it here, and I write here caption. So that I go about the fonts, maybe 72. I drag it up, and I go about different fonts, right? Let's go, yeah, this one maybe. Okay, it's your choice. It's your choice, this one, whatever, right? So it can be for 7 seconds in default, but you can put it maybe 15 seconds. Then if you play, it will work. Yeah, like this you can see. Okay, I stop it, I delete it here. So experiment yourself, and I go back home, record caption. You can also at the end write credits, director, the starring, location, sound text, so credits. So this video may be from the Daily Star. Suppose the Daily Star, right? I make it bigger, and I make it bigger, I make it bold, italic, no problem, and font maybe this color, no problem, bigger, smaller, right? And this text may go for 30 seconds, right? Okay, then it play. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so different design here, different design how you want the text over here. You can also put outline like this, right? Outline, you can medium. In the beginning you don't need it, you just go about none, no problem. Okay, so I just delete it. So you go about here. So I delete the introduction, I come back to where I was. Okay, so here no problem, you have different, yes, you have the new design, you know, and then this one. So there are other designs here. If you press it here, it looks very okay. So we go to animations. So suppose first one you cannot have animation, but second slide you can have this way, you can, no problem. So I go about the ordinary one. This one is fine. This is the original one, right? So this is the original one. Now I have added some photos, still photos, and then I go to edit, and there I can select these photos. It can be 7 seconds, that is default. It can be 15 seconds, whatever you do. Okay, let's go to the default, that's 7 seconds, and then let's go like this. Okay, alright, let's play. So here it's playing. The first one you cannot, I mean, animate. So go to animation, I select all these, and then this one, then all are like this. So what you can do is you can drag it bigger, smaller, like that. So suppose this one, so you can select this way, then this way. So different ways you can do it. Okay, now I add the audio file. So once again I go to audio file, and there I go about this one. Okay, so it's had come. So this one is much bigger, 8 minutes 30 seconds. So I select all and copy and paste. Okay, paste, and then paste. Yes, so now I can select this, and then delete. Okay, so it's something like, so this one you can also change like 5 seconds, then it goes almost okay, 5 seconds. So you understand, it can be 4 seconds. It's now full, but it's better if you keep it like some more seconds, maybe. Yes, a little space is better. So you can check, you can, okay. So what happens is that if you have the photos, you first design and then copy, so that it gets easier. So if you play, let's check, you can drag it bigger when you are checking. Yes, this one. Yes, you see. Yes, once again. Yes, so I stop it. Alright, so in terms of video, you see edit options. So when you have video, there is a speed, one speed 1.5, 1.25, so you can change it here. And when it is still, then you have this. Right, okay. So you can also trim. In case of video, you can trim, right, set in like that. Okay, now you go to home, and you can also come here. Yeah, if this photo, you can also change this one. Check it now. Yes, right. Okay, so now I go back like this. So if you go, yeah, this way, like this. Check it. Okay, yeah, so I get it back. When I play, then you can see. Yes, now it's good. Alright, so now if you go here, save movie, you can also upload a lot of places. Don't worry, just go to save. So recommended for this project, it's not that much important for you. These two are important, right? For high definition displays, you see 1080, that is you go for HD movie. If you go for HD movie, you see 1080 megapixel, and then it is better. If you go about it, it will be HD, 1080, but it will be much heavy and it will take so long to save a file. It takes so long. But if you go about this, it's very easy, very easy. Okay, now you can write. Now I can write something. Okay, so tutorial photos. Okay, then I hit this save button. You see, now saving is going on, right? So as it is simple video, it will take little time, but if you go about HD, then it will take long time. I cancel it, and then I cancel everything, and you can save. Okay, or if you want, then okay, just anything you just write and save, no problem. Okay, thank you very much. That's it.